Hello kids. Today we are going to solve the second semester assessment 2020-21's science question paper. Today we are going to solve. This is for 50 marks. Subject is science and class is standard is 5th. So first question is match the columns. Here two columns are there. One column is diseases. Second column is mode of transmission. In disease column, A. jaundice, B. influenza, C. dengue, D. lockjaw, E. ringworm. In mode of transmission, 1. insect bite, 2. wound and cut infected by tetanus, 3. direct contact with an infected person, 4. infected food and water, 5. infected air. Jaundice mode of transmission is infected food and water. Influenza infected air. Dengue mode of transmission is insect bite. Lockjaw is mode of transmission is wound and cut infected by tetanus. Last, ringworm, direct contact with infected person. Understood, no kids? Now, second question, give one word for the following sentence. Sentence A, it is for 5 marks. Sentence A, the fertile layer of soil is called as topsoil. B, the kind of farming done in hilly areas is called terrace farming. C, mixture obtained after mixing the cover crop into the topsoil is green manure. The mixture obtained after mixing cover crops into the soil is called green manure. D, low stone wall built along the river is called barns. E, protection of soil against erosion is called the soil erosion. Means protection of soil against erosion is soil prevention. Okay? Soil prevention. Preventing soil erosion. Protection of soil against erosion is called preventing soil erosion. Two words are there. One is soil prevention, soil conservation. Soil prevention, protection of soil against is called soil prevention, means protect the soil. Otherwise you write soil conservation. Right here, soil conservation. Understood? Protection of soil against erosion is called the soil conservation, soil protection. Now, question 3. Look at the diagram given below. Identify the eclipse. Also label the sun, moon and the earth correctly. Okay. It is the sun, the moon, and this is the middle one is the earth. Sun, moon, earth. When earth comes in between the sun and the moon, which lunar eclipse occur? Lunar eclipse occur. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, lunar eclipse occur. Now, question 4. Give 2 examples for the following. A. igneous rocks, granite and pumice. B. sedimentary rocks, limestone and shale. C. metamorphic rocks, marble and gneiss. Next, turn the page. Question 5. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Options are magma, pumice, lava, ores, and cells. A. Slate is formed from shale. B. Rocks containing a useful metal is large quantity are called ores. C. Magma is molten and semi-molten rock mixture found under the surface of the earth. D. The red-hot flowing magma that reaches the surface of the earth through a volcano vent is called the lava. E. Pumice is unique light porous rocks formed when the molten lava cools very quickly. Okay kids, now next question is 6. Give reasons for the following. Give reasons for the following. A. Soil erosion is very slow in the forest area. Give reason why. Answer. In the forest area, there are many trees and small bushes that provide green cover the topmost soil. Roots of plants and trees hold the soil tightly and thereby prevent the soil erosion. Next question. Ramachandran has planted rows of mango tree along the edge of his rice field. Give reason why he planted the rows of mango trees along the edge of his rice field. Because planted row of a mango tree along the edge of the rice steps erosion due to the wind and water. They are called the shelter belts and are also effective in preventing the soil erosion. Next question is, turn the page. Question number 7. Tick the correct statement and mark a cross for the wrong ones. A. The low tide occurs in the region between the two high tides. Correct. B. A lunar eclipse occurs only on full moon night. Wrong. C. A solar eclipse can last 7 minutes and 31 seconds. Yes. D. The earth revolves around the moon. Wrong. Solar eclipse can only happen during the full moon phase. Wrong. Next question. Answer the following questions. It is for 8 marks and 8 questions are there. What is soil? What is soil? Soil is a very important natural resource. Okay. It is the topmost layer of the earth's crust. Question B. What is a terrace farming? Farming on hills is done by cutting steps into the slope. This slows down the flow of the rainwater and reduces the soil erosion. C. What are simple machines? What are simple machines? What is simple machine? Okay. A simple machines can defined as that as a very few parts and a simple structure that works on a simple and basic principle, and they do work easy and fast. Simple machines they do work easy and fast mode. Okay. How are sedimentary rocks formed? Question D. How are sedimentary rocks formed? Rocks are broken into particles due to the force of nature such as the wind, heat of the sun and the rain. These particles get carried away by wind, rains to rivers, lakes, etc., where they slowly sink down in the layers. These type of sedimentary rocks are formed over millions of years. Question E. Why and how do high tides occur? A high tide is formed when water on the side of the earth facing the moon is pulled towards the moon. Another high tide is formed on the opposite side of the earth, which occur due to the momentum of the earth. Now question F. Name the three uses of shell. Shell is largely used in the making tiles, bricks and pottery. It is also mixed with limestones when manufacturing a cement. Next question G. Name the particles that pollute air. Smoke, dust, particle and the pollen from the flowers make the air dirty. Understood the kids? Now turn the page. Next question H. Define the term pollutant and pollutions. The answer, the presence in or introduction into the environment of substances which has harmful or poisonal effect is called the pollution, and the harmful substance is called the pollutant. Next question. Question number 9. Answer the following questions in brief. A. Write 3 or 4 sentences on environment pollutions. The introduction of harmful or poisonous substances into environmental pollutions affect air, water and land. It leads to the destruction of the natural resources like air, water and land. Human beings and the animals suffer from the various ailments. It results in the death of living and non-living things on the earth. B. Describe the surface of the moon. Answer. The surface of the moon appears rough because of big hole called the craters, flat plains, mountains and the valleys present on it. Surface. Moreover, the surface temperature on moon are extreme. Next question, last question. See, write a few sentences on the importance of artificial satellite. One of the most important use of satellite is communication. Artificial satellite one of the important use is communication. Televisions, radio programs can be relayed thousands of miles away by the artificial satellites. Talking on the phone, surfing the internet and watching the live cricket matches have become possible only because of artificial satellites, and weather satellites are used in the weather forecast. Understood the kids? Here are second semester examination subject science question paper solving over. Understood kids? Thank you for watching the video.